Culture plays an integral role in our life. Uh, I must say that I appreciate that I am born in a Punjabi culture, and that too I belong to the Sikhism, where we are blessed with the family of 10 gurus, and our 11th guru is now Guru Granth Sahib Ji, and he is the immortal Guru who is looking after us. And because our last 10th Guru, he has offered him the position of a god, and we all abide his rules and follow his regulations, what is written in that Guru Granth Sahib Ji. I'm blessed that I belong to Sikh religion because it is known for its values, known for its virtues, and we follow the five extreme values offered by our gurus, that is Kirt Karna, Vand Chakna, and Sabda Pala Manna. So we as a people of Sikh religion believe in this in the words of the Guru, and moreover we have a vast culture. We People of Punjab usually prefer wearing traditional clothes, in which it is fulkari, which is quite famous, and it is mandatory to wear that fulkari on traditional events, plus Punjabi suits, salwar kameez with heavy dupattas. And we often also have traditional dances which are Gidda and Bhangra. People love performing these types of dances, and they enjoy the culture of these dances around them. These dances are usually performed on the days like Tej, on the on the days of happiness, such as there is a marriage in the family, or some good occasion in the family, like birthday parties and all that. So I can say that I am blessed with the vast culture, and I am proud to to call myself as a Punjabi, and I also wear all the things which are being decided in my custom, and I often believe that it is very good to be a I'm proud to be to born in a Punjab.
Next, what is the importance of culture in our life? Why culture is important?
Culture is very important in our lives because whenever we come across the person, we generally get across the person through its culture values only. The person is adopting which sort of values. Like for Gujaratis, they are known for their dhoklas and fafras. And for if you're Punjabi, you will be known by sarson ka saag and makki ki roti. So these cultures have often have different languages, different wears, different attires, and different traditions. When people of different culture meet together, they try to exchange different things with them in the form of communication, in the form of uh, meeting together and sharing each other's attire. So cultural play an integral role because India is a diverse country where different types of cultures are followed and abided by everyone, because we are a democratic country where people are known for the people, by the people, and for all the people.
So, with the help of culture, we can get connected to our roots, we can get connected to our community. And I think that culture is our identity. As you
Yes,
gave the example of your dresses, your food, your language. So, I think that we can be judged, we can be known, we can be recognized by our culture also. A lady wearing salwar suit can be seen, can be identified, okay, she belongs to this or that culture. We
yes,
can get connected to our, there are, every culture has different rituals, every culture has a heritage. So I
yes,
think if you want to get connected to your roots. So really it is very good to be cultured, it is very good to be culture oriented.
Yes.
Kiran, this is for you. Do
Hmm.
you think there is any threat to our culture from western culture?
Please repeat. Do
There
you
is any
think?
Do you
threat?
think there is any threat to our culture, any kind of culture, like
Uh,
your Punjabi, Gujarati, Marathi? So do you think the western lifestyle can threat our culture?
Uh, as per my opinion, I think yes, there is a threat from Western culture to our culture. For example, if I talk about Gujaratis, that they like their dhoklas and fafras, but in Western they modified those dishes and they created something new. Although we say the new inventions are something good, but with these new inventions they are demolishing our old culture. Apart from this Gujaratis, if I talk about other people cultures like Punjabis, so Western culture introduces different styles of dresses, different styles of fulkaris that is not as per our correct culture. Although I'll say it again that inventions and new technologies or anything new discoveries leads to greater things, but right now these things are demolishing our culture.
So, partially when you agree with one statement, you can say to some extent, ठीक है? To some
Mhm,
extent में आ जाता है कि कुछ हद तक. It's not necessary that everybody will follow. Yes, I
mhm,
can give you one example. I attended one of the function. You will be surprised to know it was in Ludhiana, and
mhm,
I was very much surprised that at that function all the ladies were wearing gown.
mhm,
I'm not saying that wearing gown is a wrong thing, because I wore gown at so many functions, but I was
mhm,
surprised that everybody was wearing gown, and hardly two, three aunties, I would so say, aunties, not the girls. There were two,
mhm,
three aunties were wearing suit, and I was a single one in sari.
Mm.
I was a single one in sari. So I'm not
mhm,
dominating anyone's dressing sense, but I was surprised that I was in Punjab and it was a function in a Punjabi family, and I couldn't see any girl wearing Punjabi suit. So maybe that was my experience. So in that case, I
mhm,
can say that yes, people have influenced a lot for Western culture. As I'm giving my example to you, I have already worn gowns at two, three functions. I'm not
mhm,
saying that I am correct. Even I did so. But at that time, I was surprised that 10 out of 9 girls were wearing gowns. Even the married women were also in gowns, but I was missing Punjabi suits. So in that case, you can say that yes, we follow. Even हमने eating manners, eating habits have been changed.
Yes.
है ना? Eating habits have been changed. Now you don't prefer samosa. You would go for ये क्या है आपके
Pizzas.
आउटलेट
Pizzas.
में भी सबवे और आपका
Subways and pizzas.
है ना all the
right.
international outlets हम लोग
Mhm,
वहीं जाते हैं. So this is how you can say it can be a threat. All in all, now it has become the world has become a global village nowadays. Everything is available at your place. American खाना भी आपको यहाँ मिल रहा है और फ्रेंच फूड भी मिल रहा है. हर चीज everything is available. Over to Aman. How can we promote our culture?
art culture.
How can you promote our culture?
Our culture. How can we promote our culture?
Uh, there are different ways to promote our culture. Like in Punjab right now, recently people they are celebrating this Tej festival on a
Hmm.
wide basis because because it is on the verge of extinction only. So many people have taken the charge to create awareness among the girls of about of Tej. People have started celebrating, and even the people those who don't belong to Punjab, those who don't follow this tradition, they have also started celebrating in the form of folk melas, which are being organized to promote this Punjabi culture and Punjabi tradition. which is on the verge of extinct. So this way, by creating awareness among the people in the forms of like creating that environment around them, so that they can follow, they are aware about their cultures and traditions. Even they can promote through media. That is one of the good source that we can save our culture and our traditions by making people aware that this is our heritage, and to preserve it, it is our moral duty. So this way we can interact with the people and try to save our culture.
Very good. Very good. Yes. So, well explained. So I can say that we can start. First of all, we can start from your house, then from school. Schools and colleges should organize some kind of events where they
Yes.
can promote the culture of a particular state, particular community. Then media or movies. मुझे लगता है movies play a very good role in